How to change pin/password in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the pin on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to settings. Now, you'll need to scroll down and go to Face ID and passcode. So once you tap on this, you will need to enter your current passcode. And once you're inside, you'll need to scroll down uh, and you'll be able to find change passcode option. Just tap on it. And then here, first you'll need to enter your current passcode and then you'll need to enter your new passcode. For the next 72 hours, you can use your previous passcode to reset a new passcode if you forget it. So you can go to passcode options and choose whether you want 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit numeric code, custom numeric code, or even custom alphanumeric code. So choose the one of your choice and then change your passcode. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.